This is the first animation tutorial, the basic line. So anyway, let's go to it. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to animate some on an app called Flip-A-Clip. This is for like if you've just started. So I'm using the app Flip-A-Clip once again. So once you come onto the page, all of these projects won't show here. These are just some of my projects that I've made. You're going to hit the plus button at the bottom. And then I would recommend starting off with 7 frames. That's what I'm going to do. As you can see, it's going to show you a model of what it's going to look like mainly. 30 frames is really smooth, but that's really hard to animate with. So we're just going to start off with 7. Name your animation. You can name it whatever you want. So I'm going to name mine Animation Tutorial 2. Because why not add a 2 at the end? Or whatever number I could do, like... Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, first one. So first off, we're here for, like, if you've just started, so you probably don't know anything with what this is, if you're starting with. If the bottom, you can see that there's these little squares. Each one of these is a separate frame. And I've seen some people, animate like this. And then as you can see in the background, that's called an onion skin, that I believe. And then you can, like, do this. They do this, and it ends up looking like this. That doesn't look very smooth, does it? However, you can make a cool animation like that if you would like. But what I'm going to do is this. So you're at your first frame. These are all the brushes. I normally use this one. You can click here to change all the colors. You can change it, and you can click and hold on this and scroll it downwards to make it a little less visible. But I'm using 100% visibility. You can right here, click and hold on it, and move it all the way up if you would like for a much bigger brush. However, we're just using a size 16 brush for right now, as you can see. So now frame 2. So you can see the one behind there. Draw from the same center dot right here, and draw right to right there. Then hit the plus button again. Keep on doing that, and make this line a little more curved, so that way it looks a little more realistic. And then I got it like that. Now there you go. You have animated a line. And it'll look like this. Now, doesn't that look better? Looks like a line falling, doesn't it? Well, good. So now it's not just like this. Oh, by the way, tap on the frame down at the bottom. You can hit the delete thing. So that way it doesn't look like this instead. Now, didn't the other way look a little bit better? Hopefully you agree. So, yeah, that's the simple line tutorial. And I am going to do more other tutorials like this, hopefully in the future, while I'm working on some other projects as well. And yeah, see you guys next time. And that was a simple thing to do. Quick last animation tip. If you look at the top, you'll be able to see this thing right here, 2 squares, one with the dotted lines and another square around it. That's the copy thing right at the top. Hit the plus button and hit the 2 squares that are completely full. Then there you go. You've just copied and pasted an entire frame. So now it can look like this. Now, you can see the difference, can't you? But yeah, that's a quick little tip. But anyway, see you guys later. On to the next animation tip we go.